Right, okay. I was asked this week about chord progressions, and I'm trying to put together a little bit of an explanation on how you can put chord progressions together. First of all, chord progressions are the building blocks of any song, pieces of music that you put together. So it's essential to get the feel of the chords of the chord progressions right. So things like your melody, your rhythm can emphasize the mood and feeling that you want in your piece of music. First of all, I've taken the key of E major. Okay, you work out the key of any, the major key of any piece of music by the pattern tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 and then semitone to get you back to your starting point. Okay, and we label these. Let's stick my teeth back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to 1 or 8. Okay, that's what we call the octave. Okay, so consisting of 8 notes. Okay, as we know, if we want a major chord, we take the first, the third, the fifth to make our chord. And also, if there's any, once we've established the chords from each, we can say E is our major chord, F sharp is our minor, G sharp minor, A major, B major, C sharp minor, minor, 7th, it's a little bit special, the 7th chord, and then of course back to our major. So now we've established this pattern, building a chord progression is basically working and experimenting between using which we feel are the best chords that fit together for our intended meaning. That's why it is not science. It's very much an experimentation, what we think will fit together well for our purpose. Okay? So, the most famous chord progression, we'll take the ones that I have circled. Okay? Major, B major, C sharp minor, and then A major. Okay, alright, so we made our chord progression. Of course, that's all very fine. I want to make something a bit more melancholic. I want to change the feel a bit of the song. So this is where I can add extended or suspended chords, okay? Such as a suspended second chord, okay. And I might want to add some of these chords in as well, such as F sharp minor, G sharp minor. So let's start on the E again. And go to the F sharp minor. And the suspended second. G sharp minor. A. Back to E. Okay. E plays an important part because it's the first note, it is our home chord. Okay. Whenever we return back to that chord, it always feels like a sense of home, like we belong there. even if we start off on another chord, okay, if we start off on A, C sharp minor, back to A, F sharp minor, back to the E, feels like home, feels like that's where we belong, okay? Right, so I hope that makes sense in sort of like establishing a chord progression. It's all about experimenting, trying out different patterns in this sequence, okay? Stick to a sequence and everything will sound like it has a place. So experiment between moving between the different chords, the different patterns, and then you get, hopefully, a chord sequence you're proud of.